Good morning, it's good to be with you this Thursday, the 20th of January. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, yesterday we saw the Aussie share market follow Wall Street's lead, closing 1% lower, with the tech sector weighing down on the market the most. All four of the banks closed lower, with CBA posting the biggest loss, down 1.5%, and it was only the energy and utility sectors that managed to post small gains. Looking at the ASX 200 stock leaderboard, the best performing stock was artificial intelligence company Appen, APX, up 3.9%. Harvey Norman, HVN, also performed well, gaining 3.2% after Credit Suisse upgraded the stock from neutral to outperform, with a 3% increase in its price target to $5.62. Meanwhile, Megaport MP1 came under pressure yesterday amid broad weakness in the tech sector, but also as investors were underwhelmed by its second quarter results update. The company reported a quarter-on-quarter increase of just 7% in its monthly recurring revenue to $9.2 million. Some of the other worst performers included NOVONIX, NVX, and Allkem, AKE. Moving to the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday, once again, software company BrainChip, BRN, has made the list. The company is up a massive 213% so far this year and pushed higher yesterday following the announcement of another granted patent. The company now holds a significant market cap of over $3.5 billion. And other top traded stocks included Lake Resources, Fortescue Metals, CSL, and James Hardie. In the US, all three benchmarks pulled back despite several strong earnings reports from companies such as Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, and Procter & Gamble. It comes as investors remain cautious amid elevated government bond yields. The 10-year Treasury yield topped 1.9% during the session, its highest level since December 2019. This session ended with the Dow falling over 300 points, the S&P 500 down 1%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq closing 1.2% lower. For today, despite the negative session in the US, the futures are suggesting the Aussie share market will open 0.14% higher. In terms of what to watch today though, Block SQ2 joins the ASX today, trading on a deferred settlement basis, replacing Afterpay, which has now officially been removed from the Aussie share market. In the US, Block's share price closed 1.43% lower on Wednesday. Economic news-wise, yesterday, consumer confidence for January fell 2% to 102.2, which was surprisingly solid given the rapid spread of the Omicron variant. And today, the unemployment rate for December will be released. As a reminder, the unemployment rate came in at 4.6% in November, and consensus expects December's reading to fall to 4.5%. Moving to commodities, oil prices lifted for the fourth day to a 7-year high, as an outage on a pipeline from Iraq to Turkey added to the tight supply outlook. The WTI crude oil price is currently up 1.18% to US $86.58 a barrel. The gold price lifted 1.5% to US $1,840 per ounce. The seaborne iron ore price is trading slightly lower at US $127 a tonne, and the silver, copper, and platinum prices are all trading between 1.5 to 4.5% higher. Lastly, both BHP Group, BHP, and Centuria Industrial REIT, CIP, are holding their AGM today. Now let's end with some trading ideas for your consideration. Citi has maintained its buy recommendation on global lithium chemicals company Allkem, AKE, with an increased price target of $13.40, previously $12. Citi believes AKE's solid December quarter production results have been largely overshadowed by record lithium prices, and are of the view that AKE should benefit from record spot pricing as contracts reset in the March quarter, which will provide more exposure to indices. Separately, Bell Potter has a hold rating on AKE with a price target of $11, while Credit Suisse has an outperform rating and a price target of $13.70. Finally, Trading Central has a bullish signal on Orica, ORI. This signal indicates that the stock price may rise from the close of $13.92 to the range of $17.50 to $18.40 in the next 80 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.